I have KRUGER Matz Live 7 and let me show you how to set up this device. So let me show you how to initialize this device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the welcome panel. Here you've got the desired languages that you can use. So you can open this list right here and choose one of the following languages. In my case, let me choose English and tap United Kingdom. Alright, so here you can tap Start right now. You can connect your device to a mobile network, but it's not necessary. You can skip this part by tapping Skip. You may also connect your device to a Wi-Fi. Let me do it. So let me just find my Wi-Fi. Let's choose See All Wi-Fi networks. Alright, here I have my desired network. The device is looking for any updates. You can copy apps and data if you would like to, so in my case, let me set up my device as a new. I would like to have a fresh start. The phone is checking info, and here you can sign in into the Google account. It's also not necessary. You can tap Skip if you would like to bypass this part, but let me connect my device to a Google account. It will enable a couple of useful features. Alright, tap Next. And it's time to enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, if you are ready, let's tap Next right here. Let me tap Agree Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. The phone is checking info and getting account information. Let me tap Skip to the following fingerprint configuration. You can protect your phone by using pattern, PIN or password, or you can do it later. For now, let me choose Not Now. Let me tap Skip anyway. Let me also here choose No Thanks. And here you can enable or disable backup to Google Drive. Helps app find your location, improve location accuracy and sends instant data. In my case, let me leave all of them enabled. Tap Agree. Choose No Thanks to this information. And that's it, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Now you can start using your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.